Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 really easy, super cute flowers for your jewelry. First, of course, you're going to need your polymer clay, and then you're going to need a needle pin, an X-Acto knife, a dotting tool, and this isn't really necessary, but I like to use a really small flower cutter. And I use the cutter to take out a small piece of little flower here. I use it on my size 2 on the spaghetti machine, and I use it just because I like to cut the petals to help me be more precise in the amount of clay that I'm using for each petal to make it as symmetrical as possible. And so what you do is just make 5 little circles here. I mean, small little circles, nothing crazy. Of course, it depends on the size of the flower, but I like to do really small detailed work. So that's what I'm showing you here. Now you can, of course, make it to the size that you want. But you're going to make 5 little balls here, and then you're going to take your needle pin, and in the middle of the ball, you're going to push down towards the center of the flower. It gives it that little bit of like a round pop effect to it. And then that's pretty much it. It's super easy. You can, of course, clean up the sides to make it a little bit more rounded, because sometimes, you know, depending on how the shape of the ball was, it can be a little bit uneven. But then you just take your secondary color and then you pop it right in the middle of there, and it makes it pop into this really cute, almost 90s Lizzie McGuire vibe flower. I'm obsessed. And then for the second flower, you're going to get a ball of clay bigger than the other for the petals, of course, and you're going to roll it on your table or whatever surface that you're using, and then you're going to apply more pressure towards the end of the stem to make it sort of pointy like this here, sort of like a needle. And I actually could have gone without cutting it, but you know, whatever, do what you do. And then you're going to make as many little balls as you can. And I mean a whole bunch, because you're going to be applying it and you're going to be layering it to give it a little bit more texture. So you really can't go wrong with it. And this is how much clay I'm using to make the ball. I mean, really tiny little pieces of clay, because you don't want it to be too overbearing. And then you get your dotting tool and you just pick up each little ball here, each little ball of clay, and then you're gonna just dot it onto the stem of the flower. And there's really no rhyme or reason. You just put it on here as you please. You can fix it as you go along to make it look however you want it to look, but there really is no particular, there really is no right way to do this. And then I like to put one at the very top to make it pointy, a little bit more floral. And I could have gone without this last piece, but you know, whatever. Like I said, there's no right way to do it. And then for the final flower, you're gonna just cut out another little piece here. Just instead of cutting this in half, you're gonna use the whole thing. You're gonna roll it on the surface and apply more pressure towards the end, like you did for the stem of the second flower. And then like you did for the first flower, you're gonna push down towards the center of the leaf, like you, using your needle pin. And then that's gonna give it the little pointy leaf effect that you see here. And then of course you just grab your secondary color and you make a small little ball, and then you apply it towards the end of the center of the 2 leaves here, like that. And there you have it, the 3 super easy flowers. I hope you guys enjoy them. I would love if you guys would comment and subscribe and let me know what you guys want to see next. See you later. Bye.